Finally, a more efficient solution for dispensing caulk and adhesives. Introducing the new 10-ounce caulk and adhesive gun and 20-ounce barrel-style caulk and adhesive gun from Makita. With an industry-leading 1,100 pounds of dispensing power for even the highest viscosity materials and cold weather use. The caulk and adhesive guns are equipped with a variable speed trigger and 5-speed dial to match the speed to the application for an even bead at all viscosity levels. The drip reduction feature relieves pressure when the trigger is released to minimize unintentional dispensing. The Makita caulking guns are the lightest and most compact in their category, with faster dispensing speed for increased productivity. Both tools are equipped with an LED light for improved visibility, as well as an overload indicator light that notifies the operator when the tool is nearly overloaded to minimize breakage of the sealants. And both will accommodate caulk and adhesives in the most widely used sizes for industrial applications. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
In California, the way we build and frame is like nowhere else in the world. It's more production oriented. That's why we build so fast. Framing, the tools have to be very powerful. I was surprised at how much power the worm drive style saw had. The performance is there and it lasts a long time.
Especially on jobs like this, there is those occasions that you need to go do something for a couple hours or for a couple minutes where you don't want to run all kind of cord. You had to have an adapter, all of that.
Power locations are always an issue. So they're always having to drop cords down. It's just a lot of hassle. No cord, that's the best feature. I've always thought DeWalt was the top brand.
It's dependable. You can trust on it, you can work on it all day. It's productive.
Yeah, normally when something comes out, people ask me to get it. They're gonna be pretty excited about this saw.
I'm Tom Gensmer. I'm a builder and remodeler in Minneapolis and St. Paul. Sometimes it's the tools that you only use once or twice in the whole project that are sometimes the most important. Initially, I bought the Domino for producing custom built-in furniture, and almost immediately I realized that it was going to be suitable for producing pre-assembled millwork, and that led to using it for deck construction and even framing construction, using it for lining up subfloors if need be. And the uses I keep finding for it just keep expanding. I work alone the majority of the time, and rather than having to bring an assistant or a helper on site to help me align oversized work pieces, the Domino does that just fine, and it doesn't need to take a break, it doesn't need to eat lunch, and it's on time every morning. Using the Domino to pre-assemble millwork and door and window casings really sets my work apart from most of the other builders in my region. It allows me to produce a better quality product that looks great when it's installed, and it's a product that's going to last longer than the competition. Assemble your casing, make sure it looks perfect, and then install it. Once you buy a Domino, expect to find yourself using it outdoors. Expect to find yourself using it for framing and siding and applications you would never have thought that you would use it for. Expect to be buying a lot of Dominoes.
The DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max chainsaw has a powerful and efficient brushless motor delivering gas performance with runtime of up to 70 cuts per charge on a 6x6. The low kickback 16-inch Oregon bar and chain has auto oiling for continuous lubrication and a tool-free tensioning system for quick bar and chain adjustments. DeWalt FlexVolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20V Max tools and chargers and providing longer runtime when used with 20V Max tools. It starts with the pull of the trigger, eliminating the cold starts and carburetor issues that can come with gas-powered chainsaws. DeWalt FlexVolt, power without gas.
We'll be right back.